Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to allow audio playback while recording video on your iPhone. It's easier than you think. First, let's head into the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you find Camera. Tap on that. Okay, now look for Record Sound, and tap on that as well. Here, you'll see options for stereo and mono. I'd recommend sticking with stereo, but the important part is just below. You'll see Allow Audio Playback. Go ahead and toggle that switch on. When it's green, it's on. Now, here's a heads up. When this is turned on, your video will pick up the audio that's playing from your iPhone. And just so you know, that playback audio will be recorded in mono sound. So the next time you're recording a video and want to play some music or a podcast in the background, you can. Just remember that the audio will be recorded with the video. And that's it. That's how you allow audio playback while recording video on your iPhone. Super simple, right? If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.